What a good rise in US30 last week, and what a wonderful drop towards the end of the week. Last week, as I said, surprise move ahead, and I was expecting it to be a bearish move precisely towards the end of the week. US30 has given a wonderful drop. Now, what is going to happen next week? We'll try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. At the end of this analysis, I am also going to give you the trading levels, the entries, and the take profits as well. And yes, last week I hope all of you must have profited, those who follow me daily and weekly analysis as well. So yes, those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily update also on Dow Jones twice a day, one with the Asia cash session and one with the US cash session, 2 videos a day. And that also include other commodities and indexes including Nasdaq 100, crude oil, natural gas, gold, silver, FTSE 100, Germany 40 and India index. So yes, you can press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Now look at the weekly candle for or the weekly charts here on US30. You can clearly see lower highs are consistently getting created. It is still trying to trade in this channel, and as I have told many a times in my earlier analysis that I am going to look at US30 trading below 30,000 levels soon, at least 31,000 and 30,000 in between there. It may achieve first before it tries to retrace back a bit, but whether it will happen in a month, in a day, or in next couple of months, that is the question I will be looking forward to. But look at the last few weeks, you can clearly see when I told that it is trying to create the steps and we may see a sharper drop. That is what has happened despite it trying to achieve a high before looking forward to a drop. Now what can happen, see, this is a reversal here. After this reversal it is trying to drop, so probably next week it may try to open flat because it is closed flat. It may try to open flat, and then from there the drop can start, and I'll be again expecting it to go back below 33,000 levels. The first target is 33,000, and then it may try to come back in between this zone 32,800 to 33,000 levels. Why I am saying so, look at also the previous two candles which has achieved lower lows there. This is the support here. So first it has to come out of this 33,300 400 zone. Once it comes out of this, we can expect that probably this is trying to look at towards 32,800 and then towards downside on the 32,000 levels can be expected. Now look at this, how far this could drop. See, there is a lot much of gap for it to cover. It has to come back till towards this zone first at 31,500, which was a consolidation zone. See, this was the upward consolidation which has happened. So probably it has to come back somewhere in between this zone some point of time. But for this week, if you ask me, the support is there at 33,300 400, and then at 33,000 breaking this, one can expect a sharper drop which will try to take it towards 32,700, and then below levels also are very much possible. This is just on the weekly candles. Lot many things we have found out. Now let's have a look at the monthly chart here. On the monthly chart, the see higher highs, and here you can expect higher lows as well. So last two candles, in fact, on the monthly charts, higher lows have been uh, achieved, and here if you see, previous candle lower highs, higher lows, and this candle higher highs and higher lows can be expected probably, which might bring it towards this zone at 33,000 and 32,800. Hence I will be watchful of this zone. First 33,300 400, which will definitely get achieved, and below that we may see it coming towards 32,800 33,000 zone, and below that also a good break is possible which might take it towards 32,500 400 zone as well. So this is what we can observe on the weekly monthly charts. Now look at the daily candle here. So look at the daily candle here. Similarly on the daily charts you can find this is the second red candle consistently, and yes, it has come out of this consolidation zone. This was the consolidation zone, a breakout and then a drop. Now it has to look back till towards 33,000 levels. In fact, sub 33,000 levels can be expected. Maybe it will happen in a day or two, because yes, it will try to get back into oversold zone before it looks forward to a rise, and hence for the first or next couple of days we may see a little drop on US30, which will try to bring it towards 32,800 33,000 zone. Hence be little bit cautious while taking a position, a long position, especially on the beginning of the week. But yes, it may try to retrace back before it looks forward to a drop. Why I am saying so, see, the retracement could be sharper enough. The sharper the drop, the sharper the retracement. And how far this could retrace, let's come back to the monthly candle. See, first thing, it may try to achieve a low here. Next, even if it tries to drop, it can try to drop sharply. However, possibility that it may try to come back till towards 32,800, and this could happen in a day or two. So maybe before US cash session on Tuesday, it may try to achieve these lows, and then from there a retracement can be expected. And see, it can come back till towards 34,000 levels, the closing of the month. That is towards the end of the month, that is towards the end of the week also. We can expect that it may try to retrace back again till towards 34,000 levels. So the sharper the drop, the sharper the rise can be expected, but not fully to the extent that it may try to achieve the previous highs. Hence, a drop is what can be expected. However, a retracement towards the end of the week is must, and it will happen. So first, now this is the observation. We have seen the daily charts also. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators, because that will tell us the complete story and why I am saying so that the retracement is must. You can see on the daily charts, see the 100 period moving average, 20 period moving average, and the 50 period moving average. All of them are going to give it a strong resistance, and now it is lying at around 34,000 levels. So that is why a probability exists that we may see a good drop for the next couple of days, and then a retracement till towards 34,000 levels, which is going to remain a stronger resistance for US30 for any upward move. Now look at the daily stochastic. Daily stochastic again oversold. There is a variance gap here, and the red and black line are also lagging behind. Then the green line has to come back. Hence, couple of red candles can be expected. Then a crossover, and then the rise can be expected from midweek onwards. Also look at this. The MACD is wide divergent, and hence couple more red candles. Then from there it may try to converge back a bit, because it is already wide and divergent, extremely divergent. RSI is near to oversold, and similarly if you see it on the weekly candle here, the weekly charts, you will find that there is a resistance for it from or the 2850 period moving average crossing here at around 35,000, and the support from the 100 period moving average at around 32,000 levels. So yes, it has the probability to achieve these levels. However, it can happen in a week or so. I doubt. Probably if it tries to achieve, it has to rise back again strongly. So yes, for next 2 days I'll be a little bit cautious with the longs, and then a retracement is must. The weekly candle or weekly stochastic is again looking downwards. The MACD is still on sell, and RSI is also looking downwards from here. Also on the monthly charts, if you see, the further support zones are coming into picture here. See the 20 period and exponential and simple moving average, even the volume weighted moving average is going to provide a little resistance at around 32,000 3800 33,000 levels. So this level is going to be important to me. Probably it may achieve this levels first before it tries to retrace back a bit on the upside. Similarly, monthly stochastic looking downwards, and MACD has just crossed over on the monthly charts. This is the second red candle. Probably in the next month also we may see a good fall, and that is why I told that I'll be looking forward for US30 to drop first towards 31,000 and 30,000 zone, and then in fact it can try to achieve 29-28k also before it tries to retrace back a bit, and this is going to happen in next few months itself. That is my expectation. So take your positions accordingly. Now let me give you the trading levels concluding everything. And yes, if you also want to gain or gather the same accuracy, the level of accuracy in the analysis, yes, you can join my next mentorship batch. It's starting on 9th of May. Definitely the strategy start will help you become a proficient and efficient trader. Also, the next VIP signals group is starting soon. Be part of the signals group and trade as per the trading levels. My Telegram channel ID, Telegram personal ID, and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading details. Now let's have a look at the trading levels. Now let me tell you first the levels to go long here at. Now right now it is closed at 33,700 around. The only long entry I will recommend is above 33,920, where you can expect 34,050, and see, it can retrace back again from these levels. If it tries to rise again, this is going to be a larger resistance, and then 34,210, will come into picture. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It will try to again go till towards 34,370 and 34,500. There is going to be a larger resistance. Beyond that, we may see it flying till towards 34,800, and then 35k can be expected. However, this is just to tell you that only trade as per the levels and without a bias. The bias is bearish. The bias is that it may try to achieve 32,800 and then a bounce back can be expected till towards 34,000. However, these are markets and we have to trade as per levels. So yes, if you see it trading beyond 33,920, yes, you can go long. However, now the levels to go short, right now it is closed at 33,700, and if you in fact see it trading below 33,550, you can take a short entry here. The next target is 33,400, 33,330. So till here we may see, if it tries to drop here, we may in fact it may give a very strong resistance for it to go downwards in between this zone. If it breaks this zone, we can expect 33,100, 32,900, and then 32,750. Till here it may drop and a rise can be expected later on towards the end of the week, towards the last two trading session, or from the midweek itself we can see a little rise if it tries to drop at these levels. And if you see it retracing back, one can expect that it may try to come back till towards 33,700, 33,900 levels before closing the week here at around these levels. So yes, one can take a position accordingly. As far as I am concerned, I will expect a drop first before it looks forward to a rise or it trace back towards the end of the week. Hence, one can remain short initially, and then closing the trades in profit, one can also long from the bottom out there. But trade with caution. Don't forget to shift the stop loss at your cost whenever you see it trading in your direction, and close the trades whenever you see it reversing. So this is all from my side. Have a safe, profitable trading week ahead. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Reach out to me for on Telegram or email for any of your trading or training related queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.